Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. We are in System Verilog OOPS series where we are learning OOPS concept in System Verilog. A lot of time when we try to learn OOPS concept in hardware description language like System Verilog, we try to compare it with something which we already know. All of us have learned C++ in our college days, and what we do, system verilog handle is analogous to C++ pointer. So we try to compare handle with pointer. Today we are going to highlight the main differences between system verilog handle and C++ pointer, so that if you know C++ and system verilog, you can understand what are the differences between these two. Let's get started. The first difference is with respect to type. System Verilog can only point to object of one type. System Verilog handle can only point to object of one type. It can't point to any object which doesn't match its type. That's why System Verilog handle is called as type safe, because the type for this handle is fixed. The type for system verilog handle is the class for which you are going to create the object. That is the only type for the system verilog handle. In case of C++, pointers are untyped. It means they can point to any data type. There is no fixed type for a pointer, because in C++ these pointers are nothing but just address to your data type. That's why there is no need of giving a type in C++. The second major difference is with respect to increment and decrement operations. In case of system Verilog, you can't do increment and decrement operation on handle. Why? Because the type of handle is class. You can't increment and decrement it. It's not like C++ pointer where it's just an address and you can do increment and decrement. That is not allowed in system Verilog. In case of C++, you will do increment and decrement, and while doing it is possible that sometimes you will reach an invalid location. When you do increment and decrement incorrectly, that time you can reach to an invalid memory location. But this doesn't happen in system Verilog because increment decrement operation itself are not valid. The third major difference is with respect to garbage collection. We had seen that object deallocation happens with the help of process called as garbage collection. In case of system Verilog, this garbage collection is automatic. How does system Verilog know which objects to deallocate? When there is no handle referencing to that particular object, it is automatically removed in case of system Verilog. But in case of C++, the garbage collection is manual. It means since manual, it means it's prone to human error. So it is possible that in C++ there is a pointer which refers to an object which no longer exists. The object is already deallocated, but your pointer is still pointing to it. It is possible in case of C++. These are the major differences between system Verilog handle and C++ pointer, and in conclusion we can say that system Verilog has enhanced features because it is type safe. You will not lead into invalid location due to increment decrement operation, and the pointer will not point to an object which doesn't exist. To stay tuned to such quality content in VLSI, please subscribe to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Thank you.